started getting closer to Tolani, I tried to still keep a friendly relationship with Nengi because I know before all of this whole thing started, all of us were friends. I wake up to that greet her, she wouldn't greet me back.
They lie.
I'm serious. Then she started.
You guys are good now, sure. Have you? That's what matters.
I mean, we have a.
You're coexisting.
Yeah. You get. I don't have anything in mind for her. I don't have any.
You guys are really close, though. You eat together.
You say what?
You guys are really, really close. You
yeah.
eat together.
I don't have anything in mind for her. If we're put in the same
group. You're having a bath together, sir.
We did have a bath together just once.
Yeah, because I know you guys are close. I see it all.
So, I don't know. I mean, I said hello to her that morning. She didn't say anything. She just passed. Throughout that day, she kept the face, so I kept quiet. The next day, I said hello again. I think this time she sighed or something. And I was like,
That's why I said, did you ask her what happened, what you did? There must have been something.
And I was like, okay. What's going on here? Then she was always with Ozo, and I was like, alright, cool. Maybe she feels like if she's with Ozo, she doesn't have a reason to talk to me or be friends with me. So I was like, no, let me just respect myself before it would turn to some silence. You know, so the energy that was coming from her was looking as if it was like an enmity or something, but I have no issues with you. So since then, it's just been that way. She only speaks to me when she necessarily has to. I know that sometimes when we're all talking generally in the house, I'll probably make some remarks towards her. She won't say anything. She'll just keep quiet, or she'll just yeah. So I'm like, alright, cool.
But when I was already, you walked up to me and asked me what's up. Why are you not doing the same to her or with her? I think you should though.
Because the energy that she gave me, you get. I mean, even when you're avoiding me, when I greet you in the morning, you reply.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
But I just noticed that you weren't talking to me, or probably when I came somewhere, you tried to leave or something. But if I say good morning or good evening or all of that, or hi, you still say hi.
You know, now it's even easier because if I wasn't close to him, I'd have probably never said since. Because I don't want a situation where it's like, so Tiba's like, oh, so Wathomi is here with Prince. And then she starts avoiding me, or she feels like I'm not her friend or stuff like that. And I've left since. But now, I'm sure she feels safe. Because she's like, she's close to Brentford now.
So because of that, I was like, I actually got tired of the whole plenty issues. So, and the fact that the same time I was getting close, it looked like Tolani and I became a thing. It was the same time also became a thing. And at that point, Tolani was always on edge. She didn't want to see me around Nengi. She didn't want to see me around you. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna just stay in one place now.
We know these things. As I said, it's you that made the mistake, Sha. If you're not walking up to one girl, then you don't say you like 3 girls. Or you like 2 girls. It's that you like one girl and say you like one girl. If you like more than one girl, they don't say shit.
If I like more than one girl,
the battle of the whatever it is.
I like more than one girl, I'll tell them I like you.
If you like one girl.
If I like more than one person, I do tell them that I like.
That's what caused all the issues that happened. fighter.
Maybe at some point, I might ask Nengi what's up with the attitude, but right now I don't feel the need to. Probably maybe even when we leave the house. Because I feel like everything will be different when we leave the house.
But another thing is, maybe she's also not wanting to be seen with you to avoid maybe also getting pissed or see not getting pissed. That's another one.
See, the thing is here, I feel like, I don't know.
Maybe you did something and you don't know you did.
No, I didn't.
Either that or both.
I don't know, because I think that there was a point I started noticing stuff like, you know how when we play games, arena games and stuff like that, and the rest of them, when I'm doing well and I turn, I see everybody's hailing or everybody's, if I look at her, she's pissed.
Hey, Prince.
No, for real. Like, I was like,
I'm telling you, I was telling you guys,